Good morning again. So this is Rodolfo Eric Angat, your teacher in Earth and Environmental Science. So I have here today my rock tumbler, so I brought it out again. Many of my students don't even know what a rock tumbler is. But when I ask them why are the river rocks rounded, they get puzzled about it. So that's the main reason why I brought the rock tumbler out. When I asked them the question, what is a rock tumbler? And I gave them the clue that it's a scientific toy wherein you can actually convert a rugged rock into a smooth and rounded rock like a gemstone. They were so amazed. They were like full of curiosity. How can you turn a rugged rock into very shiny and very smooth rock? What processes are involved? So, in this rock tumbler, we have two processes that happens. We have tumbling and we have abrasion. So when I put the rocks inside here, and I cover it, I put it into the device. So what happens is that it keeps on rolling, simulating the tumbling action of river rocks. So when the water flows, the rock on the riverbed keeps on rolling and rolling and rolling, hitting other rocks, removing those jagged edges, those sharp edges, and turning it into a rounded rock. But what polishes it? That's the next question. So, on the riverbed, we have sand, we have sediments. Those sediments polish the rock. It becomes rounded because of tumbling, and it becomes polished and smooth because of abrasion. So to simulate those processes that happens in the river, so we have this rock here, and we have these other rocks here of different colors. So I'll show them to you. Oh, I dropped one. So here they are. So these are the different rocks that I'll turn into like a gemstone. So you'll see that it has rugged edges, pointed edges. After a few days of undergoing tumbling and abrasion, we will see how these rocks here will transform into smooth, rounded, and shiny rocks. Okay, that's it. Then the next thing that I will do is to simulate the process of abrasion. So I'll remove this here. So there's a warning here that says when opening, add water and avoid creating dust. Keep away from young children, so you should not inhale this. So when you put this, you have to be careful. And I'll be taking care of it. So no dust. Then I'll put some water in it. Okay, let me just run and get that water, okay? Okay, so I'll put some water. Now this will simulate the water in the river. As you know, weathering happens primarily because of water, except in the desert, of course. In the desert, it happens because mainly of wind. And of course, the sand that the wind blows. So I'll be covering it now. And make sure that it's tightly sealed so that the water won't leak. I'll be putting it here. Okay, should fit. And then I'll be putting the cover. And then I will plug it in. First, I have to remove the other mesh. This is step 2 and step 3. Okay, this is the final polishing powder, and this is the polishing powder, the other one. So this goes next, and then this one goes next. Okay, so let's now check if it is working. I'll put it to 1 day for now. There it is. So it is working. So the rock tumbler, I'll show it to you closer. You see it here. So it is rolling. So the rotation of the barrel is the one that simulates the process of, now I forgot the word, the process of, can you help me with this one? Oh yeah, I remember it now. It's called the process of tumbling. And then the sediment that I put in, and the water also that I put inside the barrel, is responsible for the process of abrasion. So in about 4 days, we will see the changes in the rugged rocks, and they should be turning like this, just like the one in the cover of the rock tumbler. So kids don't play this nowadays. Probably a few kids, those who would really like to learn about science, and I'm just sad that not many kids play them anymore. But it's really exciting to turn something that is rugged and jagged into a very shiny and smooth rock. So again, this is the rock tumbler. I'll be recording again the result of this one after 4 days. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.